Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like a iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig and I went ahead, I grabbed it from Amazon and it does come from Unice. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the information and details located in the info section below. I'm sure you guys can already see what this wig looks like. This wig is their new balayage, highlighted streaked, pre-everything, bye-bye knots, wear and go lace wig. So it does have that 7x5" lace. It has bleach knots. It has the pre-cut lace. It has the pre-plucked hairline. It's pre-styled. It has the cute little curls going down the side in that cute balayage, highlighted streaks. This wig is ready to go. Absolutely no work needs to be done besides what I'm doing right now. I'm applying a little bit of foundation just to deepen that lace color so that it matches perfectly for me. So the wig that I have is in this gorgeous body wave texture. My wig is 24 inches long, 150% density. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on my stocking cap and let's just go ahead and get this wig on. I want you guys to see how quickly this wig comes together. Absolutely no effort whatsoever. Put it on literally and go.
So complacent. Seen the weather change, but I'm staying frozen. I can't move till the path is chosen. Bear me up from the depths I fall in. Let me go, we'll both keep living. No, we fear leaving one another. And of course, we will miss each other. Lately, I'm mad for no reason, for nothing at all. Nothing at all. Fooling around with you don't feel the same at all. This is the lane I'm reminding, no regrets at all. Something that's been on my mind for some time before. Stressing out, how will I tell you what I'm feeling now? Am I being selfish or just being honest now? Yeah, messy or reckless, yeah, I do not know, but this I am sure, it ain't gonna be the same no more. I gotta fall back. We're getting on track. Ooh, I gotta fall back and face the pain alone. Yeah, I gotta fall back.
So now I'm taking my curling wand and I'm just going to go in and refreshen up my curls. I did experience just a little bit of frizzing due to me just kind of manipulating the wig. So I'm just going to go in and just get those curls nice and refreshened. I really wanted a nice uniformed bouncy look, and one thing that I was surprised about when it comes to this hair is how well it holds a curl. Like, being that the strands are very silky, this wig really does hold the curls very well. So that's one thing that I really liked about it. But per usual, I wouldn't be me if I didn't have any baby hairs. I just kept looking at my forehead and I'm just like, man, I need some baby hairs. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull some out. This step is completely optional. I'm just doing this to kind of take away the overall large appearance of my forehead. Okay, you guys, so this is what this style is looking like, and y'all, I am just loving this look. I love the body, and can y'all believe that I got this from off of Amazon? Like, look at the body, look at the style, look at the fact that I honestly didn't have to do any work. I mean, I did refreshen up the curls and I put a little bit of foundation on the lace. I may have even pulled out some baby hairs, but y'all, when I tell you that this wig comes together so quickly, no work needs to be done. Like, if you're a beginner, you can definitely get the same type of style as someone who is more advanced, maybe even someone who is like a stylist. But y'all, look at that body, look at that movement, and the fact that my hands are going through this hair, and y'all see the curls, how they're staying intact. I didn't get any shedding either. Like, y'all, look at this hair. Like, I can't stop like boasting about it. It looks really good, and I really do like this look. But I want to give you guys a couple of really quick styling options. I love to kind of pull out like my little quote unquote antlers, kind of pull that out. I'm putting this hair in a low ponytail, and you guys get into this first style. It's super effortless. This is something that I'd probably wear to run some errands. Now, I do have a lot of hair up underneath this wig, so you guys may notice it. Once I get my hair braided up, it's over for y'all. But now I'm just kind of pulling the hair forward to give you guys this look. Y'all, get into this wig. Check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and everything listed in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.